Alright, so today I will be solving the AMC 1985 questions 6 to 10. Question 6 reads, a ream of paper containing 500 sheets is 5 centimeters thick. Approximately how many sheets of this type of paper would there be in a 7.5 centimeter high stack? So we could do, for this question, we could do 500 sheets. Let me change the color. Divided by 5 centimeters, so we get 100 sheets per centimeter. So now we can use this and go back to the question. So we get 100 times 7.5, so we get 750. That is our answer, 750. A stair-step figure is made of alternating black and white squares in each row. Rows 1 through 4 are shown below. All rows begin and end with a white square. The number of black squares in the 37th row is... So for this question, they give us 4 rows. So this is row 1, this is row 2, this is row 3, and row 4. So we notice that row 1 has 0 black squares, row 2 has 1, row 3 has 2, row 4 has 3. So we notice that the row number minus 1 is equal to the number of black squares. So we can use this information and apply it to the question. So we do row number, which is 37, minus 1, and we get 36. So then 36 is the number of black squares in row 37. Question 8 reads, if A is equal to negative 2, the largest number in this set, negative 3A, 4A, 24 over A squared, 1 is. So we just substitute in negative 2 for every A there is. So we do negative 3 times negative 2, 4 times negative 2, 24 over negative 2, negative 2 squared, and 1. This is equal to 6, negative 8, negative 12, 4, 1, and the largest number is 3A because 3A is 6. The product of the 9 factors of 1 minus 1 half, 1 minus 1 third, 1 minus 1 fourth, and so on until 1 minus 1 tenth. So what I recommend doing here is writing out every term, every factor. So 1 minus 1 half is equal to 1 half. 1 minus 1 third is equal to 2 thirds. 1 minus 1 fourth is equal to 3 fourths. And so on until we get to 1 minus 1 tenth, which is 9 tenths. When we multiply these out, we notice that 2 cancels out with 2, the 3 cancels out with 3, and then if we were to have the next term, which would be 1 minus 1 fifth, it would be 4 over 5, right? So 4 will cancel out the 4 here, and 5 will cancel out, and so on. So this means that the 9 will cancel out, and that we will be left, after multiplying it, everything with 1/10, which is our answer. The fraction halfway between 1/5 and 1/3 on the number line is, so when they ask you the number halfway between a number. It's simply asking us for the average, so we have to add them up and add 1/5 and 1/3 and divide it by 2. So this is equal to 3 over 15 plus 5 over 15 over 2, which is equal to 8 over 15 divided by 2. Oops. 2, so then answer is 415.